Oh, dearie me. Another dinner? Another disguise? I swear, keeping up this charade is more exhausting than babysitting triplets. Mercy. These pantyhose are cutting off the circulation to places I didn't know I had. And there it is. Not the sweetest nanny in San Francisco. Just a dad. Doing whatever it takes. You know, people talk about the dad bod. Forget that. Try the nanny bod. Corset, wig, fake boobs. It's like running a marathon in a thrift store. That truth is, every wig, every mask, every silly accent. It's all for them. For my kids. So they can laugh. So they can smile. So they can still feel me close. Helloooo, dearies.